turn speed is about 8 miles an hour. As long as you're above 5, you're okay. 5 miles an hour or below, the chances of the bike tipping over are very, very good. Get up to 8 or 10, and you could do it. And this rider, he was listening to his brain instead of me. Here's the star of the class, the guy that practiced prior coming here. And he's not perfect, but he's pretty close. The reason I have them dip into it using that cone that's sticking out is because that little dip that you make prior to the U-turn makes things easier. But you got to take advantage of the dip. It's got to be an aggressive left, right, left of the bars. I want a serious dip. Dip that bike. Now this rider's looking at the opposite side. That makes him slow down in the middle of the turn and put his foot down. That's a pretty decent dip. He hits the cone. But because we have plenty of room for error, he's still able to make it.